Friends, in any car, the body vibration or the sound which comes when the car is moving is very much irritating, and those sounds can come from anywhere. As in this video, we are going to understand that
देखिए
now
ये
this
आवाज़ कर
lock
रही है।
and
अगर ये
unlock
ठीक
knob
से काम
makes
ना करे
sound
तो आप देख
if
सकते
it
हैं कि ये
isn't
अंदर से
working
टूटी हुई है
properly. You can see
और
here
इसके अंदर कोई भी
it
हिस्सा नहीं
is
है, और जब
broken from
गाड़ी में
inside
वाइब्रेशन आती
and
है
it doesn't has anything inside, and when vibration comes in the car, so this knob also supports fully to create vibration in the car. You can see this on all the four sides, backward also. In this, the visor or the support system, I mean to say about that it is a small thing, but if you'll go in market on Maruti Suzuki Genius spare parts store, so you'll get, and this is basically nothing. It is a plastic or rubber shoe which gives support to doors and lock bar so that it doesn't vibrate unnecessarily. And this is not that much costly. It only costs around rupees 2 or 1 or maybe 5 rupees. I even don't remember the price because I bought many more things along with this, so it was added while billing. I feel this personally that when we fit this, then the vibration minimizes. This. You're welcome to one more video of DIYMaster. I am your voiceover artist Yukta, and in this video we are going to see how to change the rubber of door lock knob, or we can also say door lock lever, because it is very easy. It is short video, so we won't take much time. So in the knob where the rubber is not damaged, we leave it, but this rubber is damaged from inside, so we move it anti-clockwise and remove this rubber, so this lever will come out. We have to turn it this way. It is too long. Now remove it and throw it, and we'll replace it with the new, with the one which we bought today. It will give a little bit problem while tightening because it is new, so we'll tighten it. So now this is tightened again, and now after pressing there will be no sound generated. We have to press this a little bit, so we'll press it with the help of a pliers or a plier. So guys, we have completed our first. So now come, let's complete the remaining two also. So guys, this is the second one. We have to move this also anti-clockwise. And then we'll fit this knob. It will be better that before putting this knob or lever, fit it nicely in the frame. So we have to put this knob and we have to tighten this. How much it was earlier, we have to do the same. See it carefully, it doesn't make any kind of sound or vibration. We'll press it, knock it and pull it. You can see the tightness in it. So it is closed like this. Now come on, let's see the either side knob also. So here we have one more. So first we have to open it anti-clockwise. Let's open this also and complete it. So guys, like this we have changed 3 out of 4 visor or shoe. This was a simple process, a small process, and it was even not expensive, but it plays an important role in reducing body vibration. I hope friends you will have liked this small video. So let's meet in our next video. Thank you very much for watching us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel. Click the show links and enjoy watching the video.